Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a car boot sale haul. I'm bringing as many as possible to you, but this one is from the car boot sale called SHOOTAsh, which is in Romsey. It's one of my normal ones I do go to if I don't go to my local one in Andover. That's what we're going to show you today. There's only a couple of bits. I just want to say that I am trying to add what my mum buys as well into these videos, because I think you want to see that, but I'll explain a little bit of that in a moment. But let's just get on into the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video, the products, the items, anything in this video, then do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you want to see, it tells me what you like. That video will go round and then more people will like it and see it, so definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to tazwells12 if you have not joined and the love family by hitting the subscribe button at the top of my main page and the bell notification. That will tell you when I've uploaded a new video, and you can see it there and then. Comment down below if you like anything in the video, what my best buy is, and what feedback I can improve the video, so let me know that down below. I will always 100% comment back to you and like comment every single time. Please check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. You have tazwells12, which is my main normal account, that's like fashion, my normal lifestyle. Then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Started that last year. Not the best of uploading things, but I am trying to. It depends what my working week is like. I've got 2 of them. If you can check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. I just got to say that the video is weirdly not sponsored in any way. This is all out of my own money. What I found at the car boot sale, it's not promoting any branded stuff. It's just saying what I got, what I brought, and the bargains I found. Just an advice video for you guys. And that's everything. So let's stop rambling and let's get into the car boot sale haul, which is from SHOOTAsh. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, that I'm starting to add into these videos what my mum got. I've probably not added everything that she's physically got, and I've probably forgot a few items, but what I'm trying to do is, as soon as we get back to hers or mine, I'm going to then film bits of hers so I remember what I've got and which ones the car boot sale it's connected to, and then I can show you a bit of a different range, because there's some lovely bits that she actually also gets, which is a little bit different to myself, but we do still get bargains between the 2 of us, so I would want to show you what she gets as well, so I'm trying to add that in. But that was just not a little disclaimer, but basically I just wanted to mention that I will try and add that in. The first item I've got here is the biggest item. I haven't cleaned it yet. It needs a really good clean. I've got a couple of items that we want to put in each different toilet or bathroom, and we needed another one, but we can't put them up yet because obviously we're living in a new build, so we have to wait over a year to put them up, but we will soon hopefully put them up. But when I saw this, it's not my cup of tea if it was just a normal colour, but it's got a different colour in it that's kind of took me by surprise and I thought was really nice. So it is this. Yes, it is just a normal round mirror, but I liked it because it's got a bit of a different sort of effect to it. It's got this bit of black in it, and I kind of like a bit of black and white into a toilet, if that makes sense. A bit of, it's a word for it, but I can't think what it is. I saw this, I was like, actually I really do like that. I like it that it's got that little pieces of black in it, which is really nice. It kind of takes it off of just being a plain boring round mirror. Really like it. So every other one has got a bit of black, and then it's got a nice big round bit in the middle which you can actually see yourself, which is really good. You can see how really shiny it is, so it would be really good in a bathroom. There is a couple of chips on it. There's one here and there's one here. It's a really good fixture mirror, like it's fixed really well together. I don't know where it's from, It's got a fixture here, so it will go on the wall. It just says made in India. I can either get a bit of black paint or a bit of white paint. That's absolutely fine. I could just bit of nail varnish probably. Just literally tap that up, but that's absolutely fine. But it was only £2. I think if it was any more expensive than that, I wouldn't have got it. But to the fact that the guy only wanted £2 for it, I was like, that's a pretty nice mirror for £2. And the next couple of items are actually clothes. Sometimes I will end up getting more clothes than I do proper items, or I get proper items and clothes, or a bit mixture of two. It just depends what I see on the day. But I got 2 bits of clothing. So the first one that I've kind of already tried them on when I get these bits of clothing, just to make sure they're okay on me and I've made a good choice of the day basically. But also I've been kind of looking for like dresses or like summer items, because I want to go on holiday this year, like a lot of other people, and I'm trying to find like good, cheap summer bits that I probably could take away with me that'd be good for a day or an evening. So I've been looking for that. So the first one is dress, which I took to this dress because mostly of the design. So I love a good little black dress, and then it's got this lovely like little plain pattern with like little flowers on it, as you can see, but they're not like massively over the top. Dress is actually a genuinely nice like cut, so you've got quite a like a high round neck. You have got a sort of cuff sleeve, but the sleeve is not like massively long, so it probably comes back down to here. I will do a clip on of this on me. That's what it is, like that side. And then you've got like a elasticy waist, which has got so much like give to it, which is really good, because if you have like a food baby or something like that, if you've had a lot of food, it's really good to have a good elastic waist. And then it just comes down like this, just a normal thing. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And this is from Papaya, which I think is Matalan, is it not? I think we'll definitely have a look. And this is in a size 14, so Papaya 14. I don't normally get dresses in a 14, but because I saw it and I thought, because it's got really good elastic waist, and also because it's a bigger size, it might be a little bit longer on me, because what I find, I'm not the tallest of people, because I've got quite wide hips, a dress or a skirt sometimes sit on my hips, and then it makes the sort of like skirt or dress like a bit short. So I thought this would be great for like going away. It's just got a clasp at the back as well, so this just does round there. It's really easy to undo. Really, really nice dress. It was only £1, which I thought was really, really good for that, like, not for the make, but I thought it was good for like the dress. And also I thought you could wear this in the winter as well, because you could put some like nice black tights under it. Yeah, it would be lovely with like a nice coat on, a nice scarf, and if you're going out for a nice walk somewhere, or boots or heels or whatever. It's a good like little versatile dress, but I will show it on. This is the dress that is from Matalan originally. Can you see how lovely it looks? It looks really, really pretty. I'm really comfortable in this as well, because it's got this elastic waist. Anything that's got elastic waist is just comfortable anyway. So it's got little short, little frilly sleeves. Love the design on it because it's just really, really nice. And the collar will do like up a little bit more, so it'll sit like that a little bit better. I can't do up at the moment because I'm here on my own, and this is what it looks like. And it's not too short either. It's lovely. Also with the clothing items, I will do a little bit of researching on, because this next one I did not know like the make of it, but my gran and my mum did. But also, you might question me on this one as well, but when I saw the pattern of it, I absolutely loved it. And it was from a house clearance sort of people that they get a load of clothes from, probably from older people. Could be young people, really don't want to say that, but it literally could be from anyone. It's like house clearance. But when I saw the pattern, I was like, I really like that. And I showed my mum like the item of clothing, and I don't think she was like overly whelmed by it, but I said to her, what about it with a nice top and some nice heels? And I'm thinking of an idea for maybe a wedding with this item, but I'm going to show you it now. This skirt is a really like long pleated skirt, so this is the pattern which really drew me into it, because I think that is just absolutely gorgeous. You've got so many colours in there, like reds, yellows, greens, blues, like everything stands out to you. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It's got elasticated waist, which is always really good because these things are handy. And it's just a really like long pleated skirt. I've tried this on and it just comes up just on your shins, basically, like just before your ankle. Really lovely, and I really like this. And I thought, you know what, with a nice little black top maybe, or white, and then a black heel or cream heel or something like that for a wedding, I thought this would be really nice. I looked at it and I thought, oh, what's the size of it? It is a size 16, but honestly that waist does not look like a size 16. My mum said because it might be how much stretch in it, it would fit a size 16, but that waist is small. I think that's small. I do not think that's big at all. Like, I think that's tiny. And it's also from eastex, and I've never heard of this brand at all, eastex, and apparently it's a really expensive brand. If anyone's heard about it, please let me know down in the comments. It's from eastex, but I went for it more to the fact of the pattern. I absolutely think it's gorgeous, and I absolutely cannot wait, and I hope it's going to go with what I think it's going to go with, and it's going to look fantastic, because this for wedding would be really pretty. So I am going to try this one on too. I've got the granny skirt on, but I absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. If I come back, you can see it in all its glory. So literally, I said, it just goes up to your shin, which is lovely, and I think it's really nice. And this is just with a black top. I think it's nice. It doesn't need a belt. It's really like comfy on your stomach. It's not squishing you, but it's lovely. And this is what it looks like. The colours in it are just gorgeous. It's a really nice skirt. That was the clips of the clothing that you've just seen there. Now I'm just going to put another clip in of showing you what my mum got for it. I think I only took one item, filmed that, but I think she might have got another few items, but I can't physically remember. But the one item that she did get is still really good to see, so I'll put that in. Dark blue cardi. It's quite spacious, this. It's got some slits down the sides. Feels like a wool sort of material, if you can see. And this is a size 12, and this is from Avenue, and this was £1. Seen all the items that I got from the SHOOTASH car boot sale. There wasn't a lot there, but I hope that some of it's give you a little bit of inspiration. Like the mirror's like not my normal taste, but I thought it'd be really good in our house because of the bit of black in it. Really love this skirt, really like it, really think it looks nice on me. Do enjoy that, and I cannot wait to wear that for a wedding. If I find any other dresses in between, then I will obviously let you know what I did wear, but you'll probably see it on my Instagram or something like that. But there is a couple of dresses that I have seen and a top that I want from a certain website, but I'm trying to recycle first and get something that I probably can get secondhand and just look at as just as nice. So I'm trying that, and I will look out for some other dresses that I think, oh, well, maybe that's good for a wedding or something like that. I hope you did like it. If you did, and you did like the items that I did show you, please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Like I said at the beginning, it tells me what you want to see, what you like, and other people can see it too and like the video. Subscribe to tazwells12 and join the little love family, and also come and join the YouTube journey. And you can do that by hitting the subscribe button on my main page and the bell notification. This is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. It's just things I have found from a car boot sale that I thought you guys might want to see. Just give you a little bit of inspiration as well, because I think car boot sales and charity shops are all coming back in fashion very, very quickly. I think people have noticed that they can get a good bargain for what they normally get somewhere else. Bring a lot more of these to you. So it's not sponsored in any way, it's just what I found and an advice video for you guys. Comment down below on the video of what you like. Comment, I will comment back to you, and I will like your comment every single time. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Please check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting as always. It does mean the world to me, and I'm glad that you're watching my videos and liking them. I hope that you have a lovely day or a lovely evening. Take care, people, and I'll see you soon. Bye.